Usually after reading a book, a summary of a visual story can be made. This visualization is created by the reader and allows other readers to understand somebody else's summary from the reading. The tools needed for a one-pager are these. Drawing page. I use shading color pencils, but any colored pencils will do. I use map fine point marker for bold text, pencil or pencils. So I use the ebony pencils for shadowing and darkening the images. One-pagers have existed since before Second World War II, and they've been used to show a story and understanding, a summary of events or new ideas to project a message or a series of messages through a theme. I read the book Persepolis, and here's my story summarized in connection with a personal thematic element depicting war, the youth, and it shows how truth can be the same for different culture. So make sure you can provide a message through your image and text. Too easy, right? In my completed one-pager, I have a personal response and 2 questions to the text that I answered, and a story through visualization, providing a summary as close to a theme as much as possible. Thanks.